hey all, and I'm back with another video. So this video is, or you can say, will be a slightly generic video. Like, it won't be about oxygen cylinders and stuff, but as the second wave of the pandemic is coming in, I just wanted to speak to you guys about few issues that I really wanted to address, and just from my point of view, just give few tips that may help us survive this pandemic mentally and emotionally. So sit back, relax, and without further ado, let's get started. Let me just start off by the first tip, that is be kind. Be kind during these tough times, because I understand these are like really harsh times. You are unable to go out. Everyone thought, yay, Corona khatam ho gaya. But unfortunately, that was not the case. And we are just back to square one like we were last year. And everything is just getting crazier and crazier, and things are getting worse. Please be kind to each other on social media, be kind to each other in real life. Again, I'm hopeful that this pandemic brings the best of us and makes us more compassionate and kinder towards one another, because it's not something one particular community or one particular region is only suffering. It's the whole entire country and the whole world is suffering altogether. You can provide essential supplies to the needy, you can provide essential rations to the needy. If you have extra stock, that is, you can even provide alcohol also to the needy. That is, I'm just joking. Don't take the alcohol part seriously, huh? Though alcohol is an essential, but joking. The second point I would like to make here is don't fall for stupid social media trends. And I fucking mean this one. Don't fall for stupid social media trends. This has happened last year, and it's just the most bizarre and the most vile thing, because social media, although I love social media and I upload my stuff on social media, has become the most toxic and the most vile, beyond toxic environment ever. And it's got nothing to do with politics as such. People have just become more and more offended over the smallest of things and over the smallest of issues, instead of understanding the full context. Last year 2020 में क्या boycott नहीं हुआ था 2020 में?
Boycott! Boycott Bollywood! Boycott China! Boycott Lauda! Boycott Napoon! Boycott XYZ!
Oh, this puppy is so cute.
Boycott puppies! हमें क्या बनना है? इंदिरा नगर का गुंडा कहाँ पे? ट्विटर पे!
Which brings me to my third point. Learn something new. Yes, learn something new. Please guys, I mean, I know you all know this, but हम में से कोई उतना follow नहीं करता है. We should all, apart from like online classes and online courses are good, and even I've been doing it, but beyond that also learn life skills like cooking, cleaning, gardening, so many things. यार हम इस पैंडेमिक में कितनी यूजफुल स्किल्स लर्न कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो कुकिंग हो, क्लीनिंग हो, ऑनलाइन कोर्स हो, कुछ भी हो. हम कुछ भी यूजफुल स्किल्स लर्न कर सकते हैं इस पैंडेमिक में, so that we can survive in the near future and we can have more opportunities at hand for us. I'm not saying this as a motivational speech or something, but I'm just being very honest with you. I'm just being very frank with you here. I know पैसे नहीं है, I know इन सब चीज़ों के लिए पे करना पड़ता है, बट कुकिंग के लिए तो आपको पे नहीं करना पड़ता, आपको क्लीनिंग के लिए आपको पे नहीं करना पड़ता रियली, apart from buying ration and apart from buying the daily supplies that you have. आपको YouTube के लिए पैसे नहीं देने पड़ते, आप YouTube पे आप सीख सकते हो, and we can have so many skills, so many unknown, not unknown, but so many new skills at hand with us, and that can, trust me, it is so much beneficial for us. Number 4, spend quality time with your friends and family. I know आपके friends घर नहीं आ सकते, आप उनके घर नहीं जा सकते, but you can obviously have a nice meet up with them. You can obviously have a nice chat with them, catch up with some old friends like I said. I know you all may or may not have been doing it, but those who are not doing it, this is the right time and this is the best time. Last but not the least, rethink and analyze your past mistakes slash your doings in the past, or just rethink and analyze about your life. It's just a good time to pause, think, breathe and reflect on your life, and it'll give you a lot of insights and reasoning as to why things happen, and it can really help you reason with a lot of things in life. You can understand your own emotions, you can know your emotions, you can learn your emotions, because in this fast pace of life, in this work and all the busy lifestyle that we have, we really forget to think about ourselves and our inner deep selves, inner deep subconscious, and what do we really want in life, what do we really like and dislike, what kind of feelings we have, why are we feeling the way we are feeling right now. This pandemic is a really, really good time to reflect and think and communicate with yourself. And I'm not just talking about a spiritual meditation or something. I'm just talking about like sit back, relax, and think where we went wrong, or think where can we go right in the near future. So that's all for now. Like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for more notifications. Ding, 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 ding. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got to learn a lot of things from this video. Any suggestions you can please put down in the comment section. If you have any oxygen supplies or any COVID helpline number of any state or the central, please put in the comment section below. If you have any COVID advice, please put down in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Till then, see ya!